Hey there, especially my graphic designers. Ever had a client say, I need the design urgently, but they send you 10 random photos all with full backgrounds? No PNGs, no cutouts, just pressure. And now you've got to remove backgrounds before you even start designing? Don't worry, I got you covered. I got you. Head to your browser and search for Remove.bg. That's your new best friend. Click Upload Image and select your picture, then boom! Background gone, just like that. Hit Download to save it. Repeat until you have a nice little folder of clean, shiny PNGs. Try this because clean images don't fall from heaven. They fall from good decisions. I'm Douglas, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips that make design life easier.